Alright, so to find your team drive, you're going to go up to the 3x3 square in Google. And you're going to go to Drive. You're going to have to be signed into your Google school account. And then once I get there, I'll go over in this left-hand corner and I'm going to wait for it to load. Right now I'm in my wrong drive, so I have to switch accounts. I'm in my personal drive, so I'm going to go to my school drive. And then I'll see something called Team Drives. So I'm going to click on Team Drives. And then once I get to Team Drives, I have Bridges in Math. So I'm going to click on Bridges. And then once I'm in there, you'll want to find the folder labeled Grade Level Planning. And then your grade level, first grade. And then this is all the blue ones are the ones I did last year. And so this year's new notes are in 2018-19. So I'm going to click there. And then I look for the unit that we're in. So right now we're in Unit 3, day by day. And these are the notes that I hand you at our planning meetings. And this will have all the Dropbox Smartboard files for you to download. So for example, this week, those files, I'd have to go over on the right and scroll down until I hit the right date. So I'm going to go down until I get to 12/3, and there it is, 12/3. And right above it, it says Smartboard file for Monday through Thursday lessons this week. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Click on that file. It'll bring me to something like this. Can't be previewed, whatever, just let it keep going. And then there'll be a download button. You'll click download. My computer's taking a little bit. So I'll click it again. Download. And oops, okay. I downloaded it twice down here. So it's downloading. So then once I get it down here, I can click it and open it and then save it to my own desktop. Okay? So that's the short end of how you find our files and notes.